Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2018 Ford F-150 Raptor. The point of our walk arounds is simple. It's to show you any cosmetic imperfections that won't show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website, we'd love to see those photos. Scroll down, they're just below this video. If you'd like to see the options and features of this truck, they're located in a description just above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would love to see the description and the photos, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. You can also see shipping quotes, financing options, a free CARFAX report, and the original window sticker. Thanks for joining us. Let's do this walk around. All right, everybody, we're going to quickly go around this F-150 because for 94,000 miles, it looks incredible. As you can see, there's good tread there on the tires all the way around. Also, as you can see, this thing is in amazing shape for a 4-year-old 94,000 mile vehicle. Very minor chips. I mean, as you can see, they're so small. Once you back up 2 feet, you can't see them at all. No dents, stings, scratches, anything. All the way down the passenger side. Hard tonneau cover, roll and lock. This right here you can't really see, but I wanted to make sure that you can see it close up here. Something scuffed the fender flare. But since that's pretty much the only thing at 94,000 miles, it's nothing to worry about. It's very minor. Even the mirrors, crystal clear. No love bug damage, no chips. That full panoramic roof up there. All right, now for a quick peek at the interior of this amazing truck. All right, quick preview of the interior of this truck. Suede and leather. No holes, stains, rips, frayed, stitching, anything. For 94,000 miles, this is as close to new as you can get. Back seat as well. This one is definitely a must-see, guys.